Hello everyone, this is me Nympha Malhotra and I welcome you all to our show Crime Story. Today we have someone who is already an established businessman and has something really interesting to offer all of us. So I would like to welcome Mr. Anuj Thawan. Hi Anuj, how are you?
I'm very well, Nymphia. Thank you. How about you?
I am good too, thanks for asking. So as we all know Anuj that today we are here to talk about fitness per hour, changing the way India trains. So can you just elaborate about your concept a little?
So we go by the name Fitness Per Hour, that is PERHOUR, right? So we basically kept this name after our concept only, right? So we are actually allowing our customers to go in any gym which is on our platform through our application, right? And they don't have to buy any kind of memberships there, right? So basically our customers can go into any gym and they can work out for any time which they want, right? And they only pay for the number of hours they utilize the gym, right? So that's how we are also talking about changing the way India trains. Basically we want to give access of gyms and give an opening of fitness industry towards a very average, very common person as well, who was not thinking about going to a gym before, just because of the fact that he did not want to commit to a membership.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that's a great idea. Like people can access to gyms through the app.
Correct.
And whichever gym they want to go, they can go there for an hour and they can train. Right? All right. So Anuj, in which all cities are you operational currently?
Yeah, so as of now, we are actively operating in Delhi NCR and Jaipur, right? So we are active in Delhi, Noida, Gurgaon, Ghaziabad, and nearby areas. And we are currently expanding our operations in cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and a lot more. So basically, we are focused upon the IT centered states. And not just gyms, we are offering multiple aspects of fitness like yoga, dance, and Zumba, martial arts, boxing, and a lot more.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So this is like a very unique concept which he's telling about. Like fitness is not only about going to gyms. So you can go and do yoga sessions, dance training, Zumba training and any other activity which you like. So Anuj, like what are your plans to expand this?
So as of now, as I told you, we are currently operating in Delhi, NCR, and Jaipur, and we are expanding towards the tier one cities, right? But after that, we'll be expanding towards the tier two and tier three cities as well, right? I want to just change the face of the fitness industry as a whole in India, right? With Fitness Per Hour, I want to make it as a face of the fitness industry, right? So we are also coming up with an event which would be happening in late December or early January, right? Which would be basically a boost towards the fitness industry to the new year 2022, right? And in this we'll be coming up with multiple brands, right? Which they can showcase on our event, right? There would be some competitions and not only limited towards bodybuilding but multiple aspects of fitness.
Okay,
Yeah.
so what sort of competitions would be there?
Yeah, so basically, when a person hears the word fitness in India, they directly go towards bodybuilding as a sport, right? But there's a lot more to it than just bodybuilding. So, of course, bodybuilding would be there. There would be some new, a little bit less recognized sports like arm wrestling and a lot more, right? So, we'll be focusing upon them as well, right? There would be new brands which can come up on our event, which can take a booth and make presentations for their brand, right? And there would be a lot more, right? So all of that is in our planning, and we'll be hosting this just like a boost towards the year 2022 for the fitness industry, since it had been held a lot back, right, from the corona lockdown and a lot of things, right? And we'll be hosting this event as a boost towards the new year.
Okay.
Yeah.
So get ready, people, as he told that they'll be organizing such a big event. And if you are also a fan of sports and want to get engaged in such activities, you're welcome to participate in the competitions and to attend the event as well. So, like, what are your future plans about it? Are you adding anything else to your panel, like any other activities?
Yeah, Nymphia. So basically, it's not just fitness as related to physical fitness, which we'll be focusing upon. Fitness covers the whole human aspect. So we'll be going towards mental fitness, we'll be going towards emotional fitness, we'll be introducing our own e-store on our application, right? And there are a lot of things which we've planned. We'll be going pan India, and hopefully we'll be going across the whole world, right? So we'll be giving our services in gym per hour, we'll be giving our services in e-store in regards to supplements and equipments and apparel and a lot more. We'll be giving our services in mind fitness, in emotional fitness, and a lot more things.
Okay, so these are some great concepts which you have to work upon.
Yeah.
But first of all, I want to know that how did you get an idea of starting this app?
Yeah, sure. So basically, as you know, I'm a traditional businessman, right?
Right.
Before this, I was into my own traditional business, and I have a circle of similar friends only, right? So I used to witness this a lot, that me being a fitness fanatic. Now, if I tell about myself, I am a certified trainer. I've done my,
Okay.
training in Kalaripayattu, in Taekwondo, CrossFit, and a lot more things. So I am a fitness fanatic, right? But being such a fitness fanatic, I myself was not able to pursue my gymming for 30 days in a month, while I was paying my gym for the whole membership, right? So I somewhere thought that an average person won't be going to a gym more than 14 to 15 days in a month, right? So I wanted to, give that comfort to that person, that I'm traveling a lot, right? I'm taking care of a lot of things at the same time. So I cannot bring my gym everywhere with me, right?
Right.
I need something, I need a platform where I can work out anywhere and anytime I want. That's how this idea popped up in my mind, that why not give the average person a comfort, that he only pays for when he works out, and he can work out wherever he wants.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So as it is quite evident that why Anuj started this thing, as he is already into fitness and he want to introduce India to a different level of fitness. As he told a lot about the panel in which we have a lot of activities already and they are trying to incorporate a lot more. So thank you so much Anuj for joining us. It was great having you.
Thank you, Nymphia. It was great being here.
Thank you so much.